It's mixed up with your chocolate. You put it on a sandwich, accompanied by lots of things like jelly, bananas, carrots, and sweet honey. When was last time you had it with marshmallow? It brings me back to childhood days when I was small and played with colored clays. Those were the days. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. It's sticky, it comes in a jar, and lots of people like it. It's crunchy, it's creamy, the peanut butter taste is downright dreamy. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. I put some on a toilet paper roll and rolled an inward seed. When I hung it in the yard, the birds and the bees came down to feed themselves. When I was 3, I felt so free with not a care in the world. Arts and crafts from TV land consume my life. Guess what had for lunch? You guessed it! Peanut butter. Peanut butter. It's sticky, it comes in a jar, and lots of people like it. It's crunchy, it's creamy, the peanut butter taste is downright dreamy. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. A friend of mine was up at school when she found it on her pants. It was part of a silly college prank in which she had to do a dance. I heard this tale when we went fishing, and I was rolling on the floor. Then she caught 1, 2, 3, 4 and more, and I couldn't even score. Guess what she was using for bait? You guessed it. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. It's sticky, it comes in a jar, and lots of people like it. It's crunchy, it's creamy, the peanut butter taste is downright dreamy. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Countless uses for a sticky oily goop. Countless uses from shaving cream to soup. Innovation, 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 yeah! Yeah, 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 yeah! Peanut butter. Peanut butter. It's sticky, it comes in a jar, and lots of people like it. It's crunchy, it's creamy, the peanut butter taste is down.